Who's excited to go to Tennessee? Hey, you cannot be up there, bro. How was your drive?
Dude, that was brutal. Yeah. I have a headache. Dude, yesterday was terrible. Yeah. Like, if I didn't go to the hospital, I swear I was gonna be dead.
You want some apple juice?
Yes, please.
Sure.
I don't know if I have enough for both.
Ah, look at the puppies' Thanksgiving food.
Look at that. That is beautiful. I'm so proud of that turkey.
Yeah, sure you don't want a small little taste of it?
It's the fancy kind from Italy.
What do you got for that?
Not bad.
Oh my gosh, guys, Moose is gonna break down my door.
Stand up.
No, there's not. This is not happening.
Stand up.
No, I don't know if I trust you.
Stand up. Hurry up. God dang.
Daisy, no, she can't do it to me. She can't do it. That's too much pressure for her. Here we are again with Timmy's shenanigans.
There you go. Stand.
Tear my ACL. Doing something stupid like this.
At what cost?
Timmy, you get up on the stool. Look at that. Can you reach Crimmson?
No. Almost, but not quite. Timmy, don't let me fall. I gotta go up on my tiptoes.
Oh, my foot! Dude. It's so funny. Oh fuck! I can't believe I missed that. You were supposed to be holding me. Oh my god, spurs in my butt. I'm laughing because fucking. I'm laughing because. Watch you. He watched you. You had one. It's fucking funny, bro. Dude, literally watched. Grimmy watched you. He had one toe. And that was that he went completely back. Oh my god, it was funny. I can't believe I missed that. It could have been that ridiculousness. I'm up on your shoulder.
The damn letter. The thing.
No, you already
concussed.
saw what happened to me. Let me do it.
Damn day.
Let me do it. You just.
He's so
You
upset.
guys are challenged.
Dude, you're the one.
You're the one who didn't catch me when I fell.
I couldn't catch myself. Here, Aisha.
So I did that. I'm out here brooming some leaves.